Unlock the full potential of Gemini on your PC with the magic of voice control. First things first, make sure you're signed into your Google account on the Gemini website. This is crucial for it to recognize your voice. Now, look for the microphone icon or a specific voice mode button, usually located in the Gemini interface itself. Click on it to initiate the setup. Your browser will likely ask for permission to access your microphone. Granting this permission is essential for Gemini to hear you. Once permission is granted, you'll see a visual indicator, like a pulsing microphone icon, showing that Gemini is ready to listen. Now it's time to talk. You can now issue commands directly to Gemini hands-free. Try commands like, write a short poem about the ocean, or give me a quick summary of the latest tech news. You can also ask it to set a reminder for 3 p.m. to call mom, or explain the concept of quantum entanglement in simple terms. If Gemini isn't picking up your voice, double-check that your microphone is plugged in and selected as the default input device in your PC's sound settings. Also, ensure that the microphone permissions for your browser haven't been accidentally revoked in your system's privacy settings. Using voice mode with Gemini offers incredible accessibility and a wonderfully intuitive way to interact with AI. So go ahead, try it out, and experience the hands-free convenience of Gemini on your PC.